quiet now. We go just call you. Come, and dog with the back. Hello? Jesus. For my head? How? Who won't pay for my... Mama?
Kelemon!
Yeah.
Kelemon!
Yeah.
Kelemon!
Yeah.
Piano!
Yeah.
One!
Yeah.
Zone!
Yeah.
I am so excited. And so, I believe all of us are excited. Because it is not an easy thing for someone to give birth to a wonderful daughter. And then the next thing, the daughter is grown up and people are already asking, so, and that is why this young man here have decided that it is time he stopped being a boy and be a man. So he decided no gay lugo for him to ebataru to Ifafia. You know, came here to pluck a wonderful fruit, a cherished one that we have in this household.
So it's true. Does the fruit want to be plucked? Answer me. Mama, even you.
Yeah, respect yourself. Jem, don't insult me. Don't insult me, Jem. I am standing here for your father. Don't insult me. If your father were to be alive, he would be doing this I'm doing now.
My father will come and ask people. This one that looks like low budget Charlie Poppy to come and block me in me.
Jem, don't insult me. This young man is a potential in-law. In fact, I have accepted him already as my in-law.
I will not even answer you, Seth. Let me talk to these useless people here. What is wrong with you people? Is that how you just come and pluck or marry somebody just like that? Did you ask me anything? Are you people useless? Is something wrong with your generation? So you came here to come and pluck what? Did you ask me first? Talk to me, Kita. Am I not talking to you?
Yeah, Ina Yala, are you mad?
Oh, you're asking me if I'm mad.
Are you mad?
I will show you that me and Kim are mad. 2 knots, no daddy's head. Just wait.
Okay.
By the time I close my eyes and open, everybody move, disappear, vanish from here.
Okay, I'm okay to talk. Okay.
I tell you, even you in Kita, you're looking at me. Wait.
Okay, I'm okay.
Before we go, let me see if I can.
I said don't go.
Okay.
If I carry your things and get out.
Okay.
Rubbish. I'm even mad. Look at them so now. Mama, do you know what is rubbish?
Did they do you? You don't want to marry? Go.
Marry what?
Go.
That in Kita. Low budget Charlie Poppy. I don't even understand. Mama, why now?
Low budget is better than no budget.
That
That no budget you're waiting for, this one is better.
Who is not this one?
Yes.
Have you seen his hair?
Low is better than nothing.
What are you talking about? What is his name? Bingo or what?
Boy is loaded. You Diego. Oh, Diego.
Mama, stop it, oh. Mama, stop it, oh.
You don't know what you're
missing. Mama, stop it,
oh. Oh, yeah, take the drink and drink it alone.
No, you drink it now.
Drink it alone.
No, you drink it.
Drink it.
Somebody is waiting for love. Allow me wait for love. What is all this?
Be careful, oh. Be careful, oh. Nkema kolam. Nkema kolam emeregieme. Are you sure you are okay?
I'm okay.
This is the third suitor you have chased away.
And I will keep chasing them.
Ina poala.
Ma, calm down.
You are telling me you keep chasing. You are telling me you keep chasing them. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not that you should be ashamed? You should hide your face in shame. Look at you. Is it that useless efulefu that you're spending your life fortune on? All the money you have been making from your sewing job, I have not seen 1 naira. All the money, every cover you make, you waste it on that boy.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. Me, I'm not even wasting any money. Which one is all the money, all the money? All
the money you're making from sewing, where is it?
Mama, I don't like the way you're sounding as if
You are spending all your life saving on that little boy.
It's other than me. I hope you know.
You practically single-handedly trained this young man in school.
Me?
You, yes.
Small me.
Oh, the whole you.
How would I train a whole man in school? It's not, no, Mama.
Look at what you're asking me. So you don't know those your 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, every time you gather all the people that do a job, all the people that collect thrift. You have savings with them because of that little boy. Even all the menial jobs you're doing, you clean, you wash, you do all kinds of things. It remains small for you to lick somebody's nash because of Olise.
Mama.
Something that on a normal day, you won't even agree to do it. You do it worst for him. A boy that has not even finished your service, so.
He will soon finish now. 2 months now, he will finish. It's not 1 year. I mean, is it 10 months that he did your own?
And then, finish is again, eh? When he finish, what will happen? Is he going to marry you?
Ha.
You think he's going to marry you? He will disappoint you. He will so disappoint you. And by then, I will remind you of today.
Mama, he will not disappoint me. He will get married to me. The most important thing here is that I love him.
Hey!
And everything will be okay. Don't worry. I cannot follow your advice. Now let me follow my own life. Look at the way you are talking. He will disappoint me. You have turned into my village people. They go say your enemies go just stay near you, sit down. Your enemy feel even burn you. Why would you say something like that? That you will leave me?
You want to put it on me now? You want to put it on me now?
This thing that you're saying, does it not sound like
You want to put
swear?
it on me now? Are you not ashamed of saying, I love him? Does he love you?
Yes, he loves
He
me.
does not love you! He does not love you. He also disappoints you. Look at you. You see all this your Gen Z nonsense you're doing. Love. Who love help?
Mama, BP is real low. This thing, you will give yourself high BP.
I will not have BP. I will not have it. I will not have it.
Anytime you be saying small boy, but what do you want me to do?
Look at the way you embarrass me before my guest. Look at the way you embarrass me before my guest. Your mates are already married, though. Some of your mates have 2 children, 3.
Let me marry my mates. Now you want me to come and be doing village sugar daddy? What is all this?
This one
now?
that does not even know how to wash his boxers. 2 of you are like blind, leading the blind. You don't have.
beg,
He
I
does
love
not
him.
have. Who is going to feed each other?
He will be fine. He will have.
Hey! Come on, call me a woman.
It's okay now, Chai. My love, see, it's not the end of the world, okay? You've come this far. God will not just leave you just like that. We'll find a way about it. Just calm down.
The deadline is in 2 weeks. Deadline is in 2 weeks. If I don't raise the money, we're going to lose this opportunity.
Chai, and it's KPMG.
KPMG. Do you know how much they pay their new intakes like me? Plenty money. Our lives will just change like that.
Oh, baby, it's okay. See, we'll find a way around it, okay?
We have to. Something has to happen.
We will now. Just calm down. Be cool.
20,000 naira richer.
Are you serious?
20,000 naira richer. Now, adding that to the 10 that we already have, that's 30K. We are making progress. Small,
I'm
small.
so happy for you. So, when are you making payments?
How?
What I mean is, you can now make payments.
Okay, what is this?
It's the money now to complete it.
Where did you get this?
I sold my sewing machine.
You did what?
I sold it
Oh,
now. It's
no,
okay.
now.
Obi,
No,
wait
no,
now.
now. How
Just
could you even...
calm down now. Just calm. See, it was not even making much. And now I do so many things. I wash clothes. I have like 6 houses now that I clean. Very soon I'll have 10. I do other things now. And besides, when you get the job, you get me a bigger one.
What makes you think you even be working then, sir?
I will not work. I'll be a Dogo's wife.
Yes, now.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
But sister, me, I'm not happy with you.
Why? What did I do?
You dey try, yo.
What did I do? How? Tell me.
You left my relation who wants to marry you for somebody that does not even know his left from his right.
I don't understand.
And you know you are like a big sister to me.
Yes.
That boy you are dating is a small boy, yo. He will leave you. It's going to break your heart, too. And I don't want anybody to break my sister's heart. So, I'm going to talk to my brother for you, and I'm very sure he's going to take you back.
Wait, abeg, wait. Man, see who they talk. You.
Yes?
You that have 2 different children from 2 different fathers. You want to advise me on marital affairs? Abeg, keep your advice. I don't want born outside. Continue my hair. Thank you.
Okay, oh. Just the talk.
Keep your advice, abeg.
No say we love you. We're still waiting for you.
I love you.
Find like
too.
100 people.
It's okay. Thank you.
Baby, tomorrow is the D-Day.
Oh, that's good. Have you ironed your clothes?
Since morning. Look, I am so excited.
Me too, my love.
What is it, my love? Your voice just went low.
It's just that everybody says that you will leave me. And it's beginning to get to me. I'm scared that you will leave me. See, I've put in so much and I've left so much because of you. I beg you, don't leave me. If you leave me, I'll look like a fool to everybody.
Shh.
Please.
Baby, listen to me. I love you. That much I can tell you. By tomorrow, I speak with faith. I will walk through those gates, look those interviewers in the eyes, convince them, and I will get this job. Trust me, my love.
I trust you.
Thank you, my love.
Bye, my love.
Who is that?
Good day, sir.
Sorry, oh. Sorry, please. How can I help you?
Sir, I'm here for the job interview happening here.
Job interview here.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you're coming to this place?
Yes, I'm sure. This is the place that was sent to me. It's this place, sir.
No, this is the wrong address because this is the private place. There's no company here.
Sir, there has to be some sort of mistake. This is the place that was sent to me. I actually paid 100,000 naira to get this interview slot because they said that they were only selecting a few people. Sir, is this place? I'm sure.
Wow, you paid. I'm so sorry. Something must be wrong somewhere. This is a private place and I cannot allow you to enter. I'm so sorry, please.
But is there nobody else
No,
that I can talk to?
bros, now. I'm so sorry, please. You can talk to them. Talk to the company. I'm so sorry. Good day, sir.
Oh, sir, wait.
Sir? Good day, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. You can talk to them on phone. Call them.
Wait, is this...
Good evening. Welcome to KPMG. My name is Biola. How can I help you?
Good evening, ma. My name is Olisa. I'm calling to let you know that I could not locate the address for the office for the interview for today. So I'm calling to know if maybe I could please get another chance.
Good evening, Olisa. Please, can I put you on hold? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you for holding, sir. Please be aware that we aren't conducting any interview at the moment. Our recruitment cycle varies except for key critical roles that need immediate filling.
I'm sorry. This has to be some kind of joke. Are you joking?
What role did you apply for, sir?
For the role of manager.
For which department, sir?
I don't understand. He just said the role of manager. And I paid 100,000 naira just to secure this interview slot.
I'm sorry to inform you once again, sir. No recruitment took place. Our recruitments are also only done by reputable agency, and no monetary fees are required. It looks like you have been falling for a scam, sir. I would suggest you report this immediately to the police and start an investigation.
Really? You have been scammed.
Why will you not be scammed? Nkem, Akolam, why will you not be scammed? Because the only person that is scammed is you. Have you seen it? You see your life? What I can when you see you don't have sense at all. I keep warning you will not listen to me. How market? How market? In Azokokoro. Omego. I'm not talking to you. If I hear him from your mouth, you see this my hand, you are on my wrong side, though. You just hear boza on this your face. Pataranya go. You can ask them get how market. You always think you know something, but you don't know anything. Look, I don't know what I don't even know. If not that I am your mother, I would have doubted your paternity. Because you're not anything close to me. A potential in-law came to ask for your hand in marriage. You turned him down. You called him everything. You said it's low budget. Low budget and scammer. Which one is better?
Not a scammer, Mama. He was scammed. You're supposed to come here as a mother to encourage us. See what you're saying.
They are working hand in hand. They are working hand in hand. It's only you that is scammed. He was not scammed. They are working hand. Look at your phone. Look at touchlight. Look at his phone. Look at phone. Phone. This is the kind of phone they used to scam people. You see you are a scammer. Get out of my house. You overstayed your welcome.
It's enough now.
I'm saying get out. See my boss is so. I will scream. I will scream. You should have said here. Let community boss come and handle you. Anofia, Onyori, look at you.
Papa.
Wake up, oh!
Papa, if you are there, if anything happens to Mama and she comes to meet you before time, it's not my fault. It's because of how she's always shouting, oh.
My husband, oh! Your daughter is killing me, oh! Your daughter is giving me high BP, oh! Anofia, look at you reporting me.
Madam, are you even listening to what I'm saying?
I'm hearing you now.
You are hearing me? Okay, good. Thank God you are hearing me. So, what is your plan towards repaying of the loan that your father borrowed from the cooperative?
Uncle God will provide. We'll pay the loan. Just small time. That's all.
Small time?
Small time.
Yeah, small time?
Uncle, you're shouting.
Why won't I shout? No, tell me why won't I shout? Because you're making it look like I don't know what I'm doing. My brother went and collected loan on your head because of you. And now it is time to pay. You're saying small time. Listen, let me tell you. The cooperative that borrowed him that money, they don't have time. The little one they have now, give it to them. Yes. They don't have time. So Tell me, how are we going to pay this loan? Eh? The same small time. Which small time? Listen to me. They said I should tell you that if by the end of this week they don't get at least 50% of that 400,000 naira that your father, my beloved brother, the one that he borrowed on your head, part of which you used to write O level. The other one, he used to buy used sewing machine that you sold and gave to a man. That if by the end of this week they don't get 50% of that 400,000 naira, you see that land at this thing, kiss it goodbye.
Here.
Honor.
Here.
Oh, wow. It is well.
It is well. When would it be well? They borrowed money and buy a machine. Small machine that you normally use to just put food on a table with your mother. You went and sold it. But wait. You know, it's not always about finding issues where issues don't exist. The thing is, when issues like this come up, I always look for solution. And this one now, I have come up with one wonderful solution. Yes. Grace, this one now falls in your court. If you, as a mother, if you, as a mother, can convince your daughter here to accept the hands of that young man that came the last time in marriage, this whole debt. I spoke with him already. I want to send a quick feeding. I said, "Now, make a love one way, because of the kind of love that he has towards her, that he's ready to do anything, to pay anything."
Mama, the ball is now in your court. You heard what he said.
Mama, the ball is on everybody's court.
Huh?
What do you mean?
Which one is what? Am I the one that took the loan? Is your husband that took the loan?
Isn't it your father?
Is your brother that took the loan?
Isn't it your father?
Wow. If it's a good thing, will you allow me to come close?
Will you even let me come and take it?
It's your father's debt, and you have a way to pay it. That's why they're asking you.
Which one is having? Nobody wants to marry Mama.
Simple thing, just say yes and marry this
Mama.
woman. It's not hard
Meet somebody. Elders are there now.
It's not hard.
Wait for them. You see this hand? You see, don't let it land.
There's no hard work there. You just come there, prepare your mind, you're just gonna give him. He will drink. Simple.
Just make yourself comfortable, okay? Where do we go from here? We'll be fine, okay?
Fine boy. If we hire you, you give all our girls belly.
No, not at all, man.
I'm more concerned that you don't have the adequate experience for this role, or any experience at all.
Ma, I work with KPMG. They are a consulting firm.
As a security guard.
Sir, one of my weaknesses is that I pay way too much attention to detail. Because of this, I tend to take a bit longer to deliver assignments. But I'm working on this to ensure both accuracy and speed when I'm delivering tasks. Ma, I know I worked as a security guard, but it was only because I wanted to be close to the organization of my dreams.
The organization of your dreams, they are our competitors.
I'm sorry, I meant I wanted to be close to the job, the career of my dreams, ma.
See, we will do a review on your documents and then get back to you, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. But, sir, if I get to work here, it will be a dream come true. This is actually my 3rd time applying.
Good or bad, we'll get back.
It's all right. We'll discuss internally and then we'll revert to you, Mr. Olisa. Thank you for your time.
Thank
you can leave.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Kim, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I don't understand again. Eh? They did not tell us it was going to be this hard. They just said go to school. After I go to school, everything will be alright. We've gone to school now to get a job now. Voila. Eh? Everywhere I go, I'm sorry, we cannot hire you because you don't have the necessary experience. Eh? It's not when I start to work that I will get the experience. Will I get the experience from the sky?
It's okay. Oh, babe, it's okay. Look, everything will be fine. Nobody said that this would be easy. We knew it was not going to be easy. Remember that nothing good comes easy. Okay? No 2 days are the same. Let's just keep trying. I believe that something good will come up.
I hope so. I hope so because me, I don't understand the thing.
It's okay. Oh, babe, it's okay now. Calm down. Cool down.
Like, what kind of thing?
My friend, move. Take her easy now. Take her easy now. No, get out. What are you doing like this now? Eh? If you know you're not going to access somebody, then give them back their CV. How will I be working on doing that and see some random woman using my CV to be selling her goods? Does it make any sense? It's wrong now.
You qualify?
Eh? What do you mean by I qualify? Do you know how much I used to print this CV? Eh? Are you the one that paid for my school fees? You're telling me that I qualify. Did you have a degree?
If they come here without anything...
Don't tell me that nonsense. This is very unfair. It's very unfair. If you know they're not going to accept somebody, tell them from the very onset. I'm supposed to accept their CV and then toss it to the streets.
Sorry. What's going on here?
I came here and I submitted my CV for work. Eh? Imagine just walking on the streets and I saw some random woman using my CV to be rapping what she's selling. Eh? If it's you, how will you feel? How will you feel? And this one is here telling me, did I qualify? Eh? Do you have a degree?
Madam, this man no qualify.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm really sorry about that. You know what? Just hold on. I'm coming. Wait. Ahmed, stop.
No, talk now. Your madam is talking. Yeah, talk now. What do you have to say now? Talk now. You're not ashamed of yourself. Do you have a degree? If you had a degree, would you be standing here pushing people outside? Eh? I don't blame you. It's this country that I blame. What kind of nonsense is this?
Ahmed, it's okay. Here's my card. Can you come back tomorrow so that we can discuss about this? And you can come along with your CV.
Okay. What time should I come?
Let's say 10 o'clock in the morning.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah. Ahmed, enough of the drama. Lock the gate.
See the cat that struggled into my office.
Uncle. Uncle, there is this young man at our gate. He applied for a job with us and he saw his CV on the road. It was dumped on the road.
Really?
Yes. He was livid and I asked him to meet me up tomorrow. Uncle, there is something about that young man.
You know, if you found his CV in the trash can, then he must have been thrashed ab initio.
Uncle, I forgot. Good morning, Uncle.
I wish I could say same to you because there's nothing good about the money.
I don't understand.
Well, your black sheep step-brother is in town and he's going to see the lawyers.
So, I'm the beneficiary to my father's estate.
You know, there's something about you young people. You don't read the finer prints of a document. You see, in your father's final will and testament, there's a contingent bequest. That's what the lawyers call it. That if you don't get married at the end of the year, your inheritance reverts to your stepbrother, and you will have to work for him, and he pays you what he wills.
Uncle, you're kidding, right?
Really? Am I kidding? Beatrice, Beatrice.
This is a tough one.
Yes, I know. I don't have the required experience.
Yeah, we're having an internship program, and trust me when I say that, it jam-packed already. This is beyond me.
Well, thank you for your time. I'm sure that you're very busy. I'll just get this and be on my way.
Wait, hold on. You know what? Just give me a few minutes. Let me talk to someone. Wait. Come on. Uncle.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Have you thought about what we discussed?
Yes, but...
But what? Did I remind you of the implications of you wasting time? Did I? Look, your stepbrother will take over your inheritance if you don't take time. The ball is in your court. If you like, play it well. If you don't like, you will lose.
Uncle, I am working towards it. Uncle, there is this boy.
What happened with the boy?
I want you to do me a favor, please.
What's the favor?
It has always been my dream to work here. So I am very hardworking. I am very driven. I am determined. I have drive. Sir, I can assure you, you've never met an employee like me. The things I'm capable of doing at the workplace, it's success.
Take it easy, young man. One step at a time. All right? Okay? Oh, what's that? Are you trying to cry?
No, sir, it's just that I'm upset with myself. All my life, I've waited for an opportunity like this, and it's right in front of me, and I can't even seem to get the words out.
It's okay. It happens to the best of men. It happens to the rest of us. Okay. Are you married? Do you have children?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, Olisa, you said?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what reason. Just one. I'm not talking about this, your internet cramming, people do mumbo jumbo. No. I want to know why you want to work for the company.
Sir, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry, sir. And I'm not talking about food. I'm hungry to win. I'm hungry for success. I'm hungry for greatness. Sir, I assure you, you've never met anyone as hardworking as I am. What I'm capable of bringing to this company is something that you have not seen, and I am not bragging, sir. I speak this from the most humble place in my heart. Just give me a trial. You see for yourself.
You say you're willing to do anything? If it's illegal?
Uncle.
It's okay. All right. Okay. I'll do some internal investigation and find out where we can get something for a hungry man. Huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. It's fine. We'll just
Thank
take it
you.
from there. Okay. I think I like this young man. He's hungry. Hungry for makes sense, doesn't it? All right.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me yet. I mean, the chairman has not agreed. But you just have to keep your fingers crossed and I will get back to you tomorrow, hopefully. Okay?
Okay. No problem, I will. Thank you. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
All right.
Madam.
Ahmed. Not to know. For now. But just lock my gate.
Babe, that's good news, though.
I know, right? I'm optimistic.
But don't worry. First thing, they'll just call you and say congratulations. You've been given the job.
Amen. Oh.
What do you think your salary will be like? How much?
Well, I checked online and some people were saying that their start off is like from 250K.
Hey, imagine what 250 can do for us now.
Baby, 250K. I'll just first of all go and buy one small estate for Lagos. Then I'll buy 2 Jeep, one big one, one small one. I'll have the big one, you have the small one.
Baby, please, let me hear one. Look at us, we're here counting chickens that haven't even hatched.
Well, I mean, it's good to dream, isn't it?
It is. 250K.
I love you so much, Nke. I cannot wait to show you how much when I have the means.
I love you too, my love. My Obi. Odogu. I cannot wait to be an Odogu's wife. Yes. Chai. Oriaku. And Odoziaku. It's a fit me. I find I'm only remain.
You have to go to the finance department. Make sure you push them to recover our debts. Look owing us, okay?
All right.
Mr. Modupe has resigned. He is no longer here.
Really?
Yes, so his place has to be taken up, but you need to conduct an interview, even in my absence, all right, to fill the post once more, okay?
Okay. But Uncle.
Any other problem?
Yeah. What about the guy you met the other day?
What about him?
Uncle, I wasn't honest with you. That guy is my boyfriend. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
Your boyfriend?
Yes. It's a long story, but Uncle, he really needs a soft landing. Please.
All right. Hire him, but make sure you get married by the end of the year.
Okay, all right,
Hello?
Hi, Olisa. How are you doing this evening?
Hello, Beatrice. Sorry, ma. Good day. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm not, ma. Call me Beatrice. I'm not even up to 30 yet, please.
I'm sorry.
Alright, I was calling to ask if you had seen your offer letter yet.
Offer letter?
Yes.
Did you send an offer letter?
Yes, you should receive a letter from the HR department with the offer letter, job description, and enumeration breakdown. Well, the salary isn't too much, but the benefits working with us are immense.
Oh my goodness, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Thank you very much.
Don't thank me yet. We still have some things to discuss and finalize. Go through it and acknowledge if you'll be taking the job.
Yes, of course. Am I mad? Of course, thank you very much. I'm so grateful.
Congrats, Olisa. Looking forward to working with you.
Thank you, ma. Sorry, Beatrice. Thank you very much.
Hey, what's going on? You look excited.
Wait first, let me be sure that what I'm hearing is real.
What is it? What? Tell me.
Hey! Babe,
Wait.
read with your own eyes.
Congratulations, Mr. Olisa. You've been given the position of analyst. Ah! Wait.
Baby, see how much they're offering. Look
Wait.
at it.
Are my eyes paining me? 500,000! Baby! I'm so happy for you!
We have made it.
Hey!
We have made it. Finally.
500,000! Yeah. I've not seen that kind of money before.
500K.
I'm so happy.
Let me be sure that this thing is. He was even telling me to know if I want to accept the job. What kind of wrong is that? When I
Hey, God, thank you.
Let me acknowledge the wish. She said I should acknowledge you. Fast.
Hold on. Come in. Hi.
Good day, ma.
I've told you countless times you should stop calling me ma. I've gone through your document and you're 4 years older than me, so what's all this ma?
I make no promises, but I have heard you.
You know, you're 1 month here already and you're climbing the ropes like an expert.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. But you wanted to see me?
Yeah, sure. I wanted you to work on this proposal and bring it to my house.
Your house?
Yes, it's urgent, so I want you to bring it over to my house.
Okay, that's fine. I'll get right to it.
Okay. And one more thing. I have not really congratulated you well on your 1 month here, so hug.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, the
Yes, the file. Yeah, I will. I'll get right to it.
Okay.
All right.
My house.
Yes, I will bring it right over.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. That was so close.
Love of my life. Listen, that was why I sent you the money. So I'll be sure that what I was seeing was not audio money. Yes, so I move her from that godforsaken place, moving into a beautiful, befitting apartment, somewhere close to the city and close to work. Babe, you know what? At this point, we are capable of doing anything. We could start up a shop for you or a provision store with a couple of girls. You could even go back to school. Anything you want, just name it. The most important part is that right now,
I want to silence all the people that laughed at us. I'm going to marry the love of my life, and that is you. Oh, babe, come on, don't cry, okay? Listen, when I come back, we'll talk properly, okay? I love you too. See you soon. Hello? 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 Yeah, the door was... Just leave this here.
Come in.
I came to apologize. I'm sorry for walking into the house the way that I did. I should have called you when I arrived.
How did you feel when you got your first salary? How did you feel when you started our car and took it for a drive? You felt good, right? Let me just go straight to the point. We both need each other. I need a husband, and you need a job. I'm a very picky person, but the very first day that I saw you, I said to myself that I like this person. And the reason why you got this job is because my uncle thinks that we are in a relationship. Listen, I know this is a lot for you to process. You stand to gain a lot by marrying me. Okay?
I can't. I have someone. I cannot betray her like that. I'm sorry, I cannot.
So you're going to give up all of this just like that? Just take your time, okay? Think about this. Process everything and get back to me tomorrow. All right?
To get back to work.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning, my love.
You should be morning. What's the time?
It's Past 6.
Past 6, babe. You should start getting ready for work now. Hmm?
Yeah, I'm not going in today. I'm not feeling very well. But I'll send them an email.
Babe, is this serious?
No, I'm sure it's just fatigue.
Should I just get up
No,
and
it's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine.
feel sleepy? I want to sleep more, okay?
That's alright. Do that, okay?
Okay, baby.
Listen, Beatrice, I can't do it. I'm going to turn in my resignation before close of business today. And then I'll hand over all the things that belong to the company. I'm being serious. Listen to me. Look, if you're a very pretty woman, I'm not going to deny that. And if I was single, then maybe this would not be an issue. But I'm sorry, I have someone in my life. And I know that we are not married yet, but I have no intentions whatsoever of betraying her trust and her love. I cannot let her down. I'm sorry. I can't do what you're asking.
Okay, let me get this straight. You're saying that if you're not married by the end of the year, all of your father's assets goes to your stepbrother, who you say is a junkie.
Yes. And I can't let that happen.
So you want us to go into a fake marriage and then get divorced after the wedding?
Exactly. Listen, I am the sole owner of my father's $1 million estate. You can actually get married to the girl that you so love and keep your job as well. But please, let's just do this. Okay? Please.
But why me? There's so many other people out there, so many other men that...
Listen to me. This situation is a win-win situation for us. I am helping you and you're going to help me as well. Please. There are so many people out there that would jump in this offer. I'm begging you, just help me out. But I just want you to do this, please. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
Divorce after the wedding?
Yes.
Fine, I'll help you.
What? You will? Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you.
Look, this is not part of the deal. We don't need to do this.
Come on, stop. Just listen to me, look at me. Let's just seal this deal, okay? Just relax. I've been so worried now. Where have you been all night? I even tried calling you. Your phone was switched off. This is unlike you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it wasn't my fault. A tanker fell on the bridge. Yes, a tanker fell on the bridge and blocked the road. There was nowhere to go. You couldn't go front, you couldn't go backwards. And then my car charger just stopped working. That was when my phone died.
My poor baby. Where did you now sleep?
I slept in the car. I didn't have a choice. Like I said, there was nowhere to go.
My hero. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Yeah, come.
Babe, I developed a cough.
Are you serious, babe? Your cough is my cough now. Why are you acting like this? You that used to kiss in the morning when you have not brushed your teeth. Yeah, come. Come closer now. Is everything okay? Talk to me. What is it? You look very worried.
Everything is fine. I'm just so lucky to have you. And I love you so much. I'll never trade you for the world.
I love you too, my Obi. What is all this? Okay, maybe I should just go.
Go away. I'm sorry, it's just time to go.
It's okay, sorry.
You know, Beatrice, I never believed you would want a private wedding. Look, I've always seen my niece as a flamboyant, kind of girl.
Cool.
No, I mean, you never know, right?
You see, I mean, it's mind-boggling to know that there are no friends, no paparazzi, no social media, no pictures, nothing,
Cool. Can't you see how fine my husband is? I don't want to advertise him for all these women. Just you, so.
Okay. Well, welcome to the family, Olisa.
Thank you, sir.
Here's a check of 20 million. After your honeymoon, we'll now look at the details of what you'll do in the family.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
It's all right. I guess I have to leave you now. I have...
Okay, Uncle, I'll see you. Babe.
It's all right. I'll leave you two lovebirds alone. I'm off to work.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, bye-bye.
What have I gotten myself into like this now? Listen, Beatrice, just as you promised, please do not post the
On
picture.
social media. All right, my husband. It's okay. Can someone joke with you again? You're my husband for now.
When are we getting divorced?
3 months' time.
Okay. Well, thanks for everything. I have to go now.
Under the law and in the sight of God, there is nothing wrong if we consummate our marriage.
Just stop. Just stop this. You can't do this.
Olisa, don't you find me attractive?
In all honesty, you're one of the most beautiful woman I've ever met. But I'm sorry. I have to go. Hello, babe, are you there? Listen, it's finally happening. You're going to be my wife. I'll be home soon, okay?
Babe, I'm being serious. I'm being serious. I said Uncle Ken called me my chairman, my boss. Can you imagine? I beg, we will talk important things. Yeah, I wanted to ask, has the photographer brought the wedding pictures? Court? Is it really that necessary? I don't think it is. I mean, we've done our traditional wedding. That's the most important one. I'll see you shortly, all right? All right. Hello, boss. I hope that there's no problem. Are you back in the country?
Boss? You didn't call me boss the last time we had that hot sex.
Beatrice, what's the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of all of this? Everyone has got their happy ending. You get to keep your company, I get to keep my job. There's so many men out there. Why me? Why are you doing this to me?
I don't want any man on earth. I want you. Who are you to tell me no?
Beatrice, please don't do this.
It's alright. Your wife is fine. I'm looking at our wedding picture now. Alright, my love. I'll be back in 2 months' time. I want to see you.
Me too. Shit.
Massage my leg now.
Massaging it.
Massage.
I'm doing my best. It's okay.
No, don't worry now. My odogun okay. Allow me to do it. Sweet.
Are you sure?
Yes, so. Hold on, I'm coming. Baby, are dragons real? Because that's what I want to eat. I want to eat baby dragon. I'm coming.
I want to eat baby dragon. Is that why you're walking like baby dragon?
So I will stone you.
You're walking like a penguin.
Babe, we have a visitor.
I'm here.
Wait. Hold on. What did you just call him?
I said, baby, I am here.
It was an arranged marriage because my job was on the line. That was why I agreed to her proposal. Babe, we suffered together. Remember how much we suffered together? I didn't want us to go back to that life. I didn't want that. That was why I agreed to her proposal in the first place.
Did I force you to get me pregnant?
Yes, you did.
What?
Yes, you forced me.
Wait, did I just hear you say that I forced you? Did I put a gun on your head when you were blasting your hot load on me, huh? You must be a joker. Olisa, you a joker! Don't you dare touch me!
Tell this woman to get out of my house. Now!
Olisa, come and take me out. Come and take me out!
Please, let's just go inside and talk about this, please.
I said, tell this woman to get out of my house!
Come and take me out then.
Olisa!
Olisa, come and take me out. Come and take me out!
Olisa!
Babe.
Oh my God. This place is not bad after all.
Just leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I know
I messed up by not telling you, but believe me, I did this for us.
You what? Sleeping with your boss is doing something for me or us?
It's not like that. I'm sorry. I am.
What are you going to do?
I don't know.
You don't know? Wait, do you want this?
It's not like that. Look, I don't want to be broke again. I don't want us to be broke again.
I don't even believe this. Olisa, she's carrying your child.
Listen to me. Listen to me. If I had not agreed to sleep with her, if I had not agreed to the whole marriage proposal thing, I would not have had this job in the first place. She only said she wanted a certificate to help her retain her father's company. And then afterwards, we got a...
Shut up! Is this why you refused us getting married in court? Because you were already married!
It's not like that. Please believe me, just...
Don't touch me, Olisa!
Please.
May you never be broke again. May you never be broke, okay?
Please.
Get out of my way!
Babe.
Mama, you were right. I would have listened to you.
I was never right. I was wrong. I cannot, because of what happened, refuse to say the truth at my age. Bana, that would be wickedness. You loved him. You believed in him. Believed in his dreams even when nobody else did. He was successful. And both of you were happy. But, you know, life happens.
What kind of problem is this, Mama?
It's okay, my daughter.
What kind of problem is this?
It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. I'm here for you, okay? Look, I'll take care of you. You deliver this baby safely. There'll be no problem. And I pray that God will touch him to come back. It's alright, stop crying. Stop crying, everything will be fine. Oh, Mom.
Olisa, listen, the earlier we get all these things behind us, the better. You have a very bright future ahead of you. Why are you doing all of this? Olisa, you have a bright future. Can't you see? Listen to me. My uncle is planning to expand his business to Middle East, and he wants to make you the head of operation there.
So this is how the world really works. I barely have 2 years experience and I'm going to be running a company.
You see, you always amaze me with all this your village love theory, Olisa. You will always have someone to assist you, someone to guide you. Olisa, you have a bright future. You have a bright future ahead of you. Why not just... I don't know why you're doing all of this. You can now make payments.
Okay, what is this?
It's the money now. To complete it.
Where did you get this?
I sold my sewing machine.
You did what?
I sold it
Oh,
now. It's
no,
okay.
No, now.
Obi,
No,
wait
now.
now.
No, now.
Just
How could you even...
calm down now. just can't. See, it was not even making much. And now I do so many things. I wash clothes. I have like 6 houses now that I clean. Very soon I'll have 10. I do other things now. And besides, when you get the job, you get me a bigger one.
What makes you think you even be working then, sir?
I'll not work. I'll be a Dogo's wife.
Yes, no.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. You know what, Beatrice? I quit.
What?
Yes. I resigned. You can have it all back. The money, the house, everything. You can have it all back.
But what about your baby? Your child?
You have the baby. And when we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Olisa, why are you doing this? Okay, what about the 20 million naira that my uncle gave you for our wedding? Or you think I'm going to forget about it?
Well, knowing you, I did not expect you to forget. But that is not an issue. The check, you see, is still very much intact.
What?
Yes. I'll return it to your uncle first thing in the morning. This is done.
But... Oh, Olisa, can you just go... Ouch. Olisa!
You see your life. Yeah? You see your life. When I was telling your daughter to marry a very nice person, someone that is very good, someone that is better, someone that will help her life and help your life, she refused. Instead, she went into the house, carried machete, and I had to run from my brother's house. Now look at it. You see your life. You see? And what happened? She had been sent back to her father's house about OKAGB. Look at it.
Kenneth is Ukwanike. Kenneth is Ukwanike.
Oh.
You see, you are a very wicked man. Did I call you man? There's nothing man in you. You're not a man. You are so despicable. Imagine what is coming out of your mouth. Imagine what you're saying. The same Olise that bought new machine for you the other time. And you were hailing him, calling him all sorts of good names, praying for him. The same Olise, just because he had problem in his marriage, you are the first enemy to show up.
You think it's just on your boy? And I don't makuru nese kob.
Hey!
Woke me feel you show for the moke a 2 edike. You may run one go. And that's what I can wall on my troy. Since she's back from her husband's house to her father's house. Oh, for good, man, oh, for good, oh, for nana get. You can still scoop it back. The thing is, she can go back to her doa business. Oh, be my doa. Did I forget something? How could I even forget that that she sold her Obioba machine just for a boy? At the end of the day, what happened? Give him a zin. Yeah?
Kenneth.
Ami, ki de seraya, kedibu tugi. A boy in Kenneth,
get out of my compound. Get out of my compound.
Is my
There's nothing else you do with your miserable life if not to be drinking all bottles.
No problem.
I
will go.
Out. Msiki, get out.
Manake mana. I have still her uncle. I will still be the one to collect the price.
Who does you, uncle?
And
I
don't makuru
Kenneth, I'll pour you sand, though. Useless man. The only thing he knows how to do in his life is to be drinking. Very useless at your age. No wife, no children. You still have the mouth to insult another person. Anyhow, only son came are still better than you. Come on, be insulting me instead of you to look at your life first. Onyekwa. Hello? Onye? Want to talk to which Nkem? Eh? After what you put her through. After what you put her through, you want to talk to Nkem? No. You will not talk to my daughter. You have to give her some time to recover from what you did to her. My Hemereni, you will have to give me some time. So, Chineke, Olisa, Jesus, yay! Chineke! Kim, please wake up.
To me, please, you can't do this to me.
Kim, please wake up.
Everything I am is because of you. I am sorry. I know I messed up. I know I messed up. Mama, please help me beg her to wake up.
Kenakola, wake up now. Kenakola, Biko, wake up. Wake up now. Holy say, please wake her up. Wake my daughter up. Nemo, Oyo, because you don't wake up. Asamo. Mom, please don't leave me alone in this wicked world. Biko, Biko, mere, wake up. Oh. Biko, listen, please wake my daughter for me now. Wake up for me now. Please wake her up, please now. No.
Please, I love you. I love you so much. Please, just wake up.
Hey! She's awake, oh. Olisa is here. Olisa is here. See Olisa. Olisa has come. Hey, Chineke. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Thank you for not allowing me to put to shame.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'll give up everything. Everything. As long as I have you, I have the world. When the baby comes, we'll figure it out. So we'll get to that bridge, we'll cross it. Just forgive me. Please.
Thank God, Lisa. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Darling one. Hey. You want to drink water? You want to drink water?
Yes, come in. Yes, come in.
Good day, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I came to say that I am really sorry that things did not work out the way that we planned.
Well, it can happen to anybody. It does happen to people. So we could plan, the plan wouldn't come to fruition. That's the way it is.
I guess you're right. I have ended things with Beatrice.
I'm aware.
And I will be tendering my resignation before the close of business today, sir. Also, all things considered, I don't feel like it's right for me to hold on to this, sir.
What do you say? You're a good man. This is a gift. A gift is a gift, so keep it as yours.
So are you being serious?
Oh, absolutely, I am serious.
Thank you.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's okay. I can understand why you were upset. Who wouldn't be? You know, that the child you thought was yours is no longer yours. So I can understand your position.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't understand. How do you know that the child is not mine?
Oh. You know, I didn't even know you're not aware. My niece gave birth to a boy this morning, and that boy is, how do you call it? Mulatto, half caste, mixed race, you know, half white, half black, stuff.
Wait. The boy is a mixed race.
It's sad.